Prince William honors promise to MND hero Rob Burrow with emotional engagement. The Prince of Wales has upheld a promise he made to the late Rob Burrow, who died in 2024 after a battle with motor neuron disease. As he opened a new health centre in the late rugby player's name, Prince William has honoured a promise to a late rugby league legend as he has officially opened the Rob Burrow Centre for Motor Neuron Disease at Seacrest Hospital in Leeds. In January 2024, the Prince of Wales was asked by Burrow, just months before he died in June last year at the age of 41, if he would open the new health centre in the sporting legend's name. Today, William was greeted by Rob's widow Lindsay Burrow as he arrived at the centre, with their pair embracing in a hug. Ever since Rob's death, Lindsay has continued to champion cause around motor neuron disease and has been supported by Prince William, who even provided a foreword for her autobiography. The new world-leading facility in Leeds, located at the Seacrest Hospital site, is dedicated to the diagnosis, research and care of motor neuron disease, MND. Named after the rugby league player Rob Burrow CBE, who sadly died in June 2024 after his own battle with MND, the centre aims to lead the way in transforming MND diagnosis and care. Supporting all aspects of the patient's journey, the new facility creates comfortable and peaceful surroundings for patients and their families. Motor neuron disease, MND, is a life-shortening condition that damages motor neurons in the brain and spinal cord, leading to muscle weakness and loss of function. While there is no cure, treatments can help manage symptoms. During his visit, William toured the new facility and spent time with patients and families, as well as meeting those who have worked so hard to make it happen. The Prince also spent time with Rob's family and friends, including his wife, Lindsay Burrow, their children Macy, Maya and Jackson, and Kevin Sinfield CBE, who has raised a total of more than £10 million for MND charities since 2019. William told the children of the late rugby league hat they should be so proud of your father because he really was an incredibly brave and very special man. The Prince of Wales later addressed the Burrow family as he said, "I think Rob's legacy will live on. And you guys should be so proud of your father because he really was an incredibly brave and very special man. And this is a world-leading centre that's going to save a lot of lives. For that you shall all be very proud. And everyone is very grateful for letting us in on your family life and understanding what you've been managing together." Speaking at the event, William said, "Having met the family and Kevin and Rob in January 2024 for the first time in a very sweaty, smelly Leeds rugby changing room, it's been my pleasure to get to know them and follow their journey. And, frankly, we're stood in one of the most incredible buildings, that's been fundraised and supported by a few individuals who've gone above and beyond to make MND finally on the map." He said, "I'm honored to be here today and see it up and running in just over a year. An incredible fundraising effort by a huge team of people has gone into this. None more so than Kevin. His knees and his hips have taken a battering, but he's raised over 40% of this fundraising total, which is incredible. I just can't commend enough people who have put this together." Rob Burrow CBE died in 2024 at 41 years old, having lived with MND since his diagnosis in December 2019. The Prince of Wales presented Rob and his former teammate Kevin Sinfield with their CBEs in January 2024 at Headingley Stadium, recognizing their outstanding contributions to the fight against motor neuron disease. At the end of the visit just months before his death, William surprised them by presenting them with their CBEs in front of their family and friends after they were named in the New Year's honors list for their extraordinary charity work and services to motor neuron disease awareness. The Prince said, "I've brought a special couple of things up with me to give you today. I did check with Kevin to make sure you didn't want to go down to London to receive this, but I brought your CBEs up here to give to you today if that's okay, while you're in your home, in Leeds, surrounded by your family and friends. I thought today was a good day." William told Burrow, "The most amount of thank yous and congratulations for all the inspirational work you've done, Rob. You've been amazing and everyone's so proud of you. We've been following your case and all the money you've been raising, and you're changing people's lives with MND." After Rob's death in June last year, William paid tribute to the sporting hero, describing him as a legend of rugby league who had a huge heart. In a post on social media, William declared, "A legend of rugby league, Rob Burrow had a huge heart. He taught us, in a world full of adversity, we must dare to dream. Catherine and I send our love to Lindsay, Jackson, Maya and Macy. W. Born from Rob's determination to create a place that treats patients as people, not conditions, the center was designed with patients and families at its heart, providing a calm, welcoming, and fully accessible environment. It is the first purpose-built center dedicated entirely to MND care, research, education and holistic support in the UK, and stands as a trailblazer for other centers around the country. The new center has been made possible thanks to a £6.8 million fundraising campaign, led by Leeds Hospitals Charity and Rob's consultant Dr. Agam Young. The campaign was given considerable support by Kevin Sinfield CBE and The wider Leeds Rhinos and Leeds communities.